Single Root I/O Virtualization, or SR-IOV, is a PCI Express technology that makes one physical device appear as one physical function and multiple virtual functions. In networking, a single adapter port is a physical function, and its virtual functions can be used directly to handle traffic of virtual machines. The physical function can also back the external traffic that flows through a vSphere standard or distributed switch. A virtual machine can pass data directly to a virtual function. It does not rely on a switch in the VM kernel to handle traffic. Bypassing the VM kernel reduces latency and increases CPU efficiency. In vSphere 5.5 or later, though a standard or distributed switch does not handle the traffic of an SR-IOV-enabled virtual machine, you can associate a virtual machine adapter with a port group on a switch and control networking configuration by using policies. For example, if a guest operating system attempts to enter promiscuous mode and the port group is configured to reject it, the change is not applied to the virtual function. Let's create virtual functions on a physical network adapter, and let's assign a virtual function to a network adapter of a virtual machine. In the vSphere web client, navigate to the host that holds the SR-IOV physical network adapter. In the networking part of the Manage tab, click Physical Adapters. Each entry represents a port of a network adapter. In the settings of a physical adapter, enable SR-IOV on a port and specify the number of virtual functions. To apply the changes, restart the host. After you create virtual functions on the physical adapter, navigate to a virtual machine on the host. If the machine is running, power it off and open its virtual hardware settings. Create a new network adapter of type SR-IOV pass-through. From the Physical Function drop-down menu, select the physical adapter on which you have enabled SR-IOV. Associate the virtual machine adapter with a port group on a standard or distributed switch. To guarantee that the pass-through device can access all virtual machine memory, in the Memory section, click Reserve All Guest Memory. Power on the virtual machine. The host selects a free virtual function from the physical network adapter and maps it to the SR-IOV pass-through adapter. To see which virtual function is assigned to the virtual machine adapter, on the Summary tab, expand the VM hardware panel and look at the properties of the SR-IOV pass-through adapter. To verify that the traffic of a virtual machine adapter is forwarded to a virtual function, examine also the topology diagram of the switch. You can apply security and VLAN settings from the port group to the virtual function assigned to the virtual machine. In the security policy, allow or deny changes in the MAC address and promiscuous mode from a guest operating system. In the VLAN policy, set up the VLAN tagging mode for the data carried by the virtual function. Using SR-IOV on an ESXi host improves CPU performance and reduces latency. Although this is a pass-through device technology, you can control its networking configuration. To learn more about SR-IOV support and other vSphere networking features, visit pubs.vmware.com.